Today, I would like to introduce our thermal cutter for cleaning heated SGP remains. SGP inner layer is 5 times stronger than PVB inner layer, and also more rigid than PVB inner layer, so it's very difficult to clean the heated SGP remains with normal cold blades. Such as safety scraper, the best solutions to clean heated SGP remains is heating thermal cutter. The thermal cutter is not trimming the overflowed remains by strength or sharp. The blade of the thermal cutter can be heating up to 500 Celsius degrees. In seconds, the thermal cutter is trimming the heated SGP remains by ultra-high temperature at about 500 Celsius degrees, so no matter whether the inner layer film is EVA, inner layer, PVB inner layer, or SGP inner layer, the thermal cutter can do the cleaning job very well at all situations, and for cleaning heated SGP remains, we suggest you choose the CNC to air cooling system built-in model. It can work continuously if the cleaning job is very heavy. You may choose the heavy-duty Thermal Cutter Pro 250. Thanks very much for your watching. If you want to order, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect answers in 24 hours.